Today, I'll show you how to install and customize TrafficMonitor, a lightweight tool to track your network speed, CPU, and RAM usage in real time. Let's get started. First, open your web browser. Search for TrafficMonitor GitHub. And go to the first link. This is the official GitHub page of TrafficMonitor. I'll drop the link in the description. Thanks Jongyang to 19 for his hard work. Scroll down and click here to go to the download page. Download the latest version. Before downloading, check the system architecture of your PC. And then download the correct software. You can choose the portable version, so you don't have to install anything. Once downloaded, extract the zip file using WinRAR or 7-zip. You can copy the TrafficMonitor folder to the C drive. Now, open the extracted folder and double-click TrafficMonitor.exe. If Windows gives you a security warning, just click Run anyway. TrafficMonitor should now appear on your desktop, displaying your network speed and system stats in real time. Let's customize TrafficMonitor to match your style. Right-click the widget and select Options. For a clean and modern look like me, just follow the steps carefully. That's it. You've successfully installed and customized TrafficMonitor on your Windows PC. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. Drop a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next video.